Hi guys, I wish all of you are doing well. Welcome to another lesson of Microsoft Office Word from Literacy Bits. In this lesson we're going to have a look on illustration part or section. The first one is picture. If you want to add any picture in your document, you come to Insert tab, press Picture, and there are two options. The first one is this device, and the other one is online picture. If you want to add any picture from your device, or you can go online and download pictures. So I want to go from this device. There are some pictures, I think. Yeah, let me insert this. Yes, and as you can see, this is a picture, and this is how you can add picture. When we insert picture, there will be another tab which will be added, which is picture format. So in picture format, there are some options. Remove background. So if you want to remove the background, you click in here and mark areas to keep. You will mark areas to keep, okay? For example, this area, I want to keep this area, this area, this area, and I want to remove this area. As an example, this area, this, and this. So this is discard all changes, so it will make it reverse like as it previous. So I want to keep changes. When I click keep changes, it will remove all the backgrounds except the areas that we kept. Okay, the next option is corrections, where you want your photo be blur or soften or sharpen, and sharpen. Okay, this is how you design, and there are a lot of designs. This is the color, where you can change the color of your picture. This is the artistic effects that you can apply for your picture. And this is the compress picture, where you can compress your picture in a small thing. And in here you can change your picture. You can change it from this device. I want to change it like I want to have this picture. And you can choose, you can go online and get other options. You can use icons, which is online. The next option is picture style, where you can style your picture through here, whether you want to add shadow or be like this or make it soften or anything. This is where you can format your picture. This is the picture border, where you can add border to your pictures. Should it be like this size, or the color should be like blue. And in here you can add effects to your picture. This is how you can add shadow to your picture, any kind of shadows. This is how you can add reflection. You can add glow. You can add soft edges for your picture to make it more beautiful. This is how you can make it bevel and 3D rotation. This is how you can rotate your picture 3D. This is how it looks. So guys, this was another lesson of Microsoft Office Word from Literacy Bit. And don't forget to follow our lesson. In the next lesson, we're going to study these parts. And don't forget to like and subscribe our page. For right now, bye-bye.